to switch Threads account to another Instagram account safely. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. There's no one way to switch your Threads accounts to another Instagram account without losing data, your audience, or accidentally deleting anything. What you can do is open Threads account, go to your profile at the bottom right, then click on two lines at the top right. Here, click on Switch Accounts. Then click on Add Profile. Make sure you have Instagram account opened. What you can do is you'll find your Instagram here. Click on Continue with Instagram, and it will create a new profile. So you can simply create another Threads account with another profile. And this is how to switch Threads account to another Instagram account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.